and the Sheetal. So I would first like to thank to LOVS Infra Interiors because my in-law before interior is very difficult. I mean, there nothing is provided by builder. But once I contacted to Krishna and team, so they provided a very good solution for interiors, and this is how the output. So if you see here, right, so this is the wallpaper with respect to the living area. And coming to the another thing is like which is TV unit. It is combination of rafters and everything. So this is looking too good, and output is also good. Next thing is, if you come to here, so this is one of the, I would like to say like this is one of the good room. I really thanks to Krishna who suggested all these kind of structural things, and this is the master bedroom. And this entire thing is basically designed by LOVS, and we use for this output by using Gyproc, and that is also provided by Krishna and team. Okay, so now if you come to the next thing is another one is this is another unit, and this is also output is also too good at it. This is a crackery unit, and so it is again combination of all those updated version. One more thing is puja mandir. Specifically Krishna గారితో చాలా డిస్కస్ చేసి ఖచ్చితంగా కావాలని చెప్పారు. సో దాన్ని ఆ విధంగా ప్రొవైడ్ చేశారు. This is one of the good thing actually. He suggesting how the space will be going to utilize. So ఇది కూడా కృష్ణ గారు సజెస్ట్ చేశారు. సో ఎలా స్పేస్ యూటిలైజ్ చేయొచ్చు అనేది. And one more thing is this is open kitchen, and so as based on the space actually they provided a very good design to showcase more spaces. If you see here, right, so everything is like came as whatever they given in the render. It looks like same as whatever render is there. The kitchen is also really almost matched with the render whatever they provided. So that is a very good solution they given by Krishna and team. Once again, last hand, thank you so much to Krishna and team. So this is a wonderful one. Everyone is satisfied in my family. I would like to suggest to whoever is looking for LOVS Infra, please try to check with Krishna and team, and they are really good to support from end to end. Whenever the start of the project and by the handover, everything is taken care very smoothly. And yeah, this is one of the good interior I would like to suggest for everyone.